5 ka tinun-an gikan sa nagkadaiyang Universidad sa Sugbo ang nakasulod sa top 10 sa bag-ong gipagawas nga resulta sa August 2024 Psychometrician's Licensure Examination. Nalakip niini ang top 3 nga si Alia Grace Parohinog sa University of San Jose Recoletos, Franz Daniel Bangiran sa Cebu Normal University nga 6th placer, Abby Sofia Donya sa University of San Carlos sa 8th place, Venice Nicole Bayo sa Cebu Doctors University nga nakatungtong sa 9th place, ug si Sariel Marisoco sa Southwestern University nga anaa sa 10th rank. Nahinabi sa MyTV Cebu team ang duha sa 5 ka top-notchers. Ang top 3 nga si Parohinog nga taga Lapu-Lapu City ug ang top 8 nga si Donya gikan sa lungsod sa Liloan.
When I took the board exam, I tried as much as possible to be as prepared as I can be, although I can't be fully prepared man good ko. We won't know what would come out sa exam itself. So, kana lang, although daghan kay kong self-doubts, in the end, I have to believe in myself that I can do it, and there are people who believe in me.
Actually, I was really aiming to top the boards. So it was like an expectation already for me, but still there were a lot of doubts. Dili jud siya maiwasan nga murag naay doubts during the waiting game or during the waiting period. But I think there's something in me that's at peace, that knowing na I will pass the boards and possibly top the boards. So I really felt satisfied also with my performance, even though murag gilisdan ko sa psych assessment, which is like the bulk of our exam kana nga subject is like 40%. So satisfied ra gyapon ko sa ako ang performance that day, even though kanang naglisod ko gamay.
Ang duha mipadayag nga ang paghatag og maayong kinabuhi sa ilang pamilya maoy nagsilbi nilang motivation sa paghuman sa kurso ug sa pagsiguro nga mopasar sa licensure exam. Mipaambit sab sila kabahin sa ilang preparasyon sa board exam nga hayan makatabang sab sa ubang mokuha sa pasulit.
And sa weekends, I set that na for review gitang Saturdays and Sundays, since naka-lecture man na 8 to 5 every Saturday and Sunday, intensive reviews. And at night po, I try to review the lecture notes and then go over the mistakes I made sa mga drills. And then sa ako ang friend group po kay we have this GC man, and then we share random bito na pop-up quiz, so this and so na ang kanang answer for that, and we share our learnings and absorb lang gid whatever you can and rest whenever your body needs it, and don't be pressured lang gid sa kadaghan sa coverage, like focus lang gid ko sa understanding the concept gid, dig deep.
So basically, it's like I started studying pa last 2023. So it's like a year-long review journey, but not really continuous. I would study for like 30 minutes or 1 hour per day. Not as long as I could read something, even it's just one sentence, I'll consider it as already a study time. Ang ako yung main study strategy is to scan first the book and then like one chapter, and then I would write questions within that chapter, and then after reading, I mean creating questions. Kay ako na dayon basahon ang chapter. So basically, mura siya ikaduha na nako nga read. So, skim na ko at first, and then another read na pod para mas ma-absorb ang information. And then after reading the chapter, I would then summarize it on my own words and answer the questions that I created. Very time-consuming, but it's an active recall strategy.
Kini si Joanne Clarice Espinosa alang sa MyTV Cebu.